In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate photorealistic images in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to choose, and how to dial in settings for crisp, realistic results without guesswork. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your mouse over the image section to reveal the creation options, then click Create Image. This takes you to the image creation workspace where you'll set everything up. Here, you'll see options to pick a model or a character. A model is the underlying generator, often tuned for a certain look, while a character is a preset persona or style you can apply. For lifelike results, open the photorealistic category first, so everything you choose is optimized for realism. Then select a character you want to work with. This helps the system understand consistent facial features and style cues right from the start. Next, describe your idea in the prompt box. Be specific and concrete. Mention the subject, environment, lighting, camera angle, and mood. For example, you might include terms like soft natural window light, shallow depth of field, 85mm portrait, or golden hour. If there's anything you don't want, clearly say so in your description to keep the output clean and focused. Now set the aspect ratio. Choose the frame that matches where you'll use the image. Square for profiles or grids, landscape for banners and widescreen, or portrait for posters and mobile-first visuals. After that, pick the image size. Larger sizes are sharper but can take longer to generate, so choose what balances speed and detail for your needs. Open Advanced Settings to fine-tune quality. Select your upscale level. 1x keeps the original size, 2x doubles the resolution for crisper detail, and 4x is best when you need maximum clarity or plan to crop. Upscaling adds processing time, but it's worth it if you want that photorealistic polish. Adjust how many images to generate in one go. More images give you variety in pose, lighting, or composition, which is great for choosing your favorite, though it may take a bit longer. When everything looks good, click Create. Sit tight while the system processes your request. Generation time can vary based on size, upscaling, and how many images you requested, so don't refresh the page, let it finish. Once the results appear, review them closely. Look for natural skin textures, believable lighting, and realistic reflections or shadows. If something's close but not perfect, refine your prompt or adjust settings and try again. With these steps, you'll consistently produce striking, photorealistic images in OpenArt.